Hello everyone, this is Kamran Hussain. In this video, I will show you how to install Oracle Golden Gate. And in my next video, I will show you how to upgrade a Oracle database by the use of Oracle Golden Gate without any downtime. Now, for the first step, we have to install the Oracle Golden Gate on a source machine. So let's start. For the step 1, I will show you how to install Oracle Golden Gate. These are some main steps need to be performed for installing the Oracle Golden Gate on a Linux platform. So first I will copy the Golden Gate media, then I will define some environment variable, just like I have to define Golden Gate home and define the Golden Gate home in the path of Linux, and then I will install the Golden Gate software. Now I am going to install Oracle Golden Gate on a source system. This is my source machine and I have already installed database on this machine, and database is successfully running on it. Now I'm going to install Oracle Golden Gate on this machine. I have already copied Oracle Golden Gate binary on this location. Now first I have to unzip this Golden Gate binary. This is Oracle Golden Gate 90C. Now it has been successfully be unzipped. Now then I have to define the Oracle home. This is my home location for Golden Gate. So let me define in my bash profile. This is my bash profile. Okay. And also define the ID of my Golden Gate in my path variable home, and also in add library path as well. Now it has been defined. Now I have also execute my batch profile as well. So for installing the Golden Gate, first we have to check the OGG home path. This is my Oracle Golden Gate path. So move on. 01 software. This is extract file 1. Now let's execute run installer. Now this is the installer of Oracle Golden Gate. So I have Oracle 19c database in my source system. So I will select Oracle 19c database, select and then press next. This is the location of my Oracle Golden Gate, and I don't want to start the manager. I just uncheck this. In this video I will just installing the Oracle Golden Gate software. In my next session I will show how to configure the manager and other processes of Golden Gate. Now just press next and just install. So currently Golden Gate software is installing on my source machine. Now it has been successfully installed. Just close it. The Golden Gate has been installed successfully. Just move on the directory ogg_home. Okay, these are the binaries of Oracle Golden Gate. Just execute ggsci. Now Golden Gate has been successfully installed.